guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are new here. My name is Curltivity and today I will be showing you how to wash your hair with mini twist in. If you take a deeper look into my scalp, you can see that it's filled with dandruff and product buildup, which needs to go ASAP. First, I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections and twist the mini twist into one big twist for each section. This helps me avoid tangles within the ends and pulling out the original twist from the first time that I did these. Even though your hair is sectioned off into twists, you still want to be as aggressive with cleaning your scalp just to make sure it's doing a job and not a day of wasted product along with a dirty scalp left behind. And I don't mean aggressive as in you're making sores and scabs all over your head. I just want you to make sure your scalp is actually clean and will be ready for the next step. I chose a shampoo that didn't strip my hair too much because the brittle filling can make the detangling process a little harder since your hair isn't free during this method. So I no longer feel an itch or a tingly feeling in my head, so I'm going to rinse out my scalp, but I'm going to leave the chunky twist in as I do it. Try your best not to get the shampoo in your eye. It was very hard to do that because it wasn't my normal method and I was struggling a lot and had to wipe my face continuously. Make sure you completely wring your hair out of extra water that can hold product within the chunky twist, and you want to make sure your scalp is completely cleared of the shampoo. Now we're going to carefully untwist the chunky twist. Be sure to not untwist the mini twist. So as you condition your hair, please be careful when gliding the conditioner through your strands. The worst thing you can do right now is unravel one of the twists because of future detangling issues. Remember to be careful, guys. This is going to cost you in the long run when it's time to touch your hair up. I promise you, it is not worth it. Just really take your time. So now we're going to split my hair into 2 sections and put them into 2 big twists. Since I'm not going to deep condition, I'm going to double the time that was written on the bottle by the brand that I have chosen to use for the conditioner. And again, I did not use a shampoo that I felt was going to strip my hair too much, so I made sure that it was sulfate free. But in regards to the conditioner, definitely use one that will moisturize your hair and definitely has amazing slip. It'll definitely help with the detangling process just because it'll help make your hair a little bit more softer and you won't have a whole lot of breakage and issues during the touch-up areas. Now we are rinsing out the conditioner and my hair is no longer dull and it has some shine to it. I use this method a lot when it comes to mini twists because the protective style isn't too messy or involves hair to be added into it. This style definitely helps me stay out of my hair for almost 2 weeks because it is a hassle to keep it clean during that time frame. Make sure you're on the lookout for my part 2 on how I touch my mini twists up and keep them in for another 2 weeks. See you guys later.